First, the top news headlines. Novel coronavirus cases rises to 97,510, including 3,345 deaths. Man shot to death at Imphal Lamphel supermarket. And tribal farmer body imposes today's shutdown on national highways. A very good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Albina Riammai. Let's get the news rolling. As the world fights the novel coronavirus, total cases rose to 97,510, including 3,345 deaths across 85 countries by Thursday. While Britain recorded its first death with the total number of confirmed cases jumping to 115, cases continue to surge in the US. The World Health Organization has appealed to the people to pull out all the stops to slow the epidemic. With a new case in Ghaziabad, India's COVID number reached 30 on Thursday. All primary schools in Delhi will remain closed till March 31st to prevent the possibility of spread of coronavirus. Both houses also held discussions on the outbreak of coronavirus on Thursday. The Indian government, meanwhile, has said efforts are being made to facilitate the return of stranded Indians from Iran. External Affairs Minister Jaishankar on Thursday said a medical team was reaching Iran to set up its first clinic at Qom to start screening for coronavirus. The isolated Himalayan kingdom of Bhutan has reported its first case of the coronavirus after a US tourist tested positive, the Prime Minister said on Friday. The death toll in China's novel coronavirus outbreak has touched 3,042 with 30 new fatalities, while the confirmed cases have risen to 80,552 amid signs that the dreaded COVID-19 was stabilizing, including in the epicenter Hubei province. A 47-year-old man was shot to death over a land dispute at Lamphel supermarket in Imphal West in the early hours of the morning. The deceased has been identified as Kabrabam Nanao, son of late Kameshwar Singh of Uripok, Kabrabam, Lekai, Imphal. Reportedly, Nanao left home at around 4 a.m. for a morning walk with one Yumnam Nilachandra of Uripok, Kabrabam, Lekai. On the way, one Premjit, who is said to be a contractor from Uripok Bachaspati, Lekai, shot Nanao in the head with a licensed gun at Lamphel supermarket. Nanao succumbed to his injuries at the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Lamphel. Police have arrested accused Premjit over the fatal shooting, the report said. The Tribal Indigenous Farmers Committee has imposed a 24-hour total shutdown on national highways connecting Manipur from 1 a.m. today. The strike is in protest against the Manipur government's decision to re-engage retired Chief Engineer L. Brozendro Singh as a Chief Engineer cum Technical Consultant of Tribal Affairs and Hills. In a press release, MTIFC said that re-engagement of L. Brozendro Singh is very unconstitutional. The committee appealed to the government to appoint a tribal officer as DDO instead of appointing a non-tribal in the Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills. Now we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing Machapan Marifum Dodi Honachai Kuntramanga Hena, Notice India Ahan Hearing Aid Clinic Moine Lerklaba, Nauka Gi Imphal Center, Mahangjere, TV Medifon Konjel, Loinana, Nil Kongum from the Tabang, the Awab Mayokne, Binaha Al Kodimag, Wabi Rugano, Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic, Nasimak Lension Directuna, completely invisible, water resistant, Amadi rechargeable, Odaba, digital hearing aid, Happy Tabangamaki Pangalwana Badomi Kangachana, Single Powers, Tambio, I call you from the Naga Mapal Main Road, Pogay Sangam Lekai, near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009545159.
Lumsingberg Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1, within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2, outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3, outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 1800-1027-959 or 8794-613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir. Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hatta New Chekon Road.
Welcome back. And investors meet on various inconveniences faced by investors of Smart Society under Salai Holdings Private Limited was held today at Lamyanba Sanglan Palace Compound, Imphal. The meet was organized by Smart Members Welfare Association, Smart Members Welfare Association President and Bijoy, Association members I. Gohand and T. Nabachandra attended the meet. Association General Secretary Wahengbam Joy Kumar said that since the state government sealed the Smart Society on October 29 this year, uncertainty hangs over a large number of investors. He added the meeting discussed ways to approach the government for reopening Smart Society. Ahead of Yaosang Festival, massive anti-liquor drives were carried out in Jiribam district yesterday. A large quantity of illicit liquors, including Indian-made foreign liquor, were seized. Jiribam district police later handed over the seized liquors to Excise Department, which were destroyed. A team of Bishnupur police, including women police personnel led by District Superintendent of Police Priyadarshini Laishram yesterday, busted 10 illegal liquor factories at Nachao Chingdong Chothe Makha of the district. The team also arrested 9 people. In connection with the upcoming International Women's Day on March 8, a screening camp for breast cancer, cervical cancer and other diseases was held today at Imam Market, Imphal. The medical camp was jointly organized by Manipur Nursing Council, Community Health Officer, Health and Wellness Center and different nursing institutes. Manipur Nursing Council Registrar Kundrakpam Ratana underlined on the need for every woman to have regular health checks.
Mapanda leiriba maroi ni ma market leiri sing se aya mana nupi ngaktani nupi sing siki health ki awareness amase purak chaning badagi akoina I on behalf of Manipur Nursing Council registrar moina Manipur da leiriba nursing fraternity ki representative mayam se khoi punna organize tawraga hairiba numit se numit ni gi oina khoina celebrate tawjabani nupi sing gi oiba oral hygiene ki matangda any kind of cancer haiba tare sin manungda mauta leiba sing su detect tongna bagi pandamda khoi nanga sigi se pangthok sabani.
Community Health Officer M. Ranita said that besides screening cervical cancer and breast cancer, the women were also made aware about these ailments.
Breast examination, the symptoms were like any discharge, any lump labra, pombra, natural skin changes like bra, asumba kogi nurse ki fraternity mayam sina detect biba, moibu screen to pirahana mangzong na khangdo piba. Ariya manung da haraga any ulcer labra, redness labra, adi madu heal to the pomba labra, adumaina akoina khangdo piba. Adike cervical cancer haga na koina VIA na visual inspection with acetic acid and acetic acid mahi masizina koina cervix yengaga. Magi angang khau machin si pharibra haina khoina screen tawthopiba aduda screen tawrena heta positive oire habana te moi bu hana refer tha thabiraga chekin thorang lognaba lifestyle kari da modify tawsige aduga kari initiative lokhatsige as a nurse amoina akoina si sinjabani.
Red Shopper Gifts and Event Packages and e-commerce was launched today at Soibam Lekai, Imphal. Popular Manipuri artists Maxina Paunam and Amar attended the function. Talking at the inaugural event, RedShopper.in Managing Director Askar said that the newly launched e-commerce will provide indigenous products to Manipuris residing outside the state.
product launch asina akhoi manipurda inau nauna akhoi gi iram damda sariba pathok katangi oiba packaging even event packaging hairaga even hygiene pot gumba natragana conference gumba sian na ya ba mapan gi polam ma fu yaudraba iram dam gi entrepreneur iram dam gi imai bena sajaba pathok katangi oiba adum bana semjaba packaging ni sima yamna so muktang akhoi gi event packaging sina biduna support to biu iram dam gi selmiron fagan hanengai da mayam su mating to honinga do haijabani.
Once again, let's take a short commercial break.
Adongi angang na school da kari tauri, ozana kari takpiri, yum da gi amadi office da gi yamna laina, live class yengba yaraba status gi ahanba, school and day care, tiny fit ki oina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure, healthy breakfast and lunch at school, highly qualified and caring staff, creative activities and educational games, interactive learning through music and movement. 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar to Liaima.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam Langjing Achoba Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBNE. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamarol ki damak ekhoi ki website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhoi ki phone number 9612812346 natraga 7641929924 da contact tabiyo.
Senior for Senior Care Medline Home Health Care Service na ahal singidamak paikatchaba thaurang ama oina Senior for Senior Care haiba thaurang asigidamak ahangba form khara kaujari masida masagi sahi 35 dagina 65 fawgi manungda leiba class 10 pass tauraba thawai yawba nupa amadi nupi singna apply tobiba yagani. On job training oina 3 months training tauraba matungda Medline Home Health Care Service ta thabak tawba yabagi khudong chabasu pijari. Masida saruk yabiningba miyoi singna satliba tha asigi tara fawbagi manungda ahongai leirak near Zenith Hospital Porompata leiba Medline Head Office ta lakpiduna application form lobiba yagani amadi akupa marol gidamak tanabi.
Welcome back. New office bearers of Mitai Irol EX Silol Apunba Loop today took oath at the Royal Palace today. Milal President Yanglem Biren said that the organization has played a major role in promoting and preserving the original Meitei Mayek or script. He said that Milal has also urged the state government to replace this written in Bangli with written in Meitei Mayek in the Manipuri official language 1979. However, the government has failed to meet the demand, he lamented.
Hariba work pasa akhoi gi mite meke akhoi na senje diba milagi meke di achu yamna nuai taba poi maramdi masagi mayang na ijaraga masagi lo na ijaraga asi phawbada ko select work pataraga di atop subject kaya singdadi kaya yamna lik work ngodage haibase akhoi na yamna nuna ma phawi aduna mari leina ba singa do thigat piraga hariba singa se makoi gi charak bibiu loine na hariba exam se hai ngarang gi thoki ba khoi ML gi exam ba se masi athubada masi milagi ma kadi hanba pamjai hena miyam da phongdoksari.
Curfew has been relaxed in Meghalaya capital Shillong and other places today. Curfew was relaxed in Police Bazaar areas bounded by Kuichan Road to Umsohan Bridge and Kindai Lat to GS Road, Butcher Road junction from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. today, according to media reports. And curfew in Bara Bazaar areas, Paltan Bazaar, Jeep Stand, Modfront and Hall of Cantonment of areas has been relaxed from 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. Similarly, in Shela, the relaxation of curfew is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Meanwhile, unknown miscreants burned down a truck at Mazai under Shela police station in the wee hours of Friday. The truck loaded with stone boulders was parked in the area. The truck bearing registration number MZ 8085 belonged to one Ashok Chanda, a resident of Bolaganj. Two-day Chapchar Kut celebration began in all parts of Mizoram amid fanfare and cultural fervor since yesterday. Chapchar Kut is the most important and biggest festival of the Mizos, which is celebrated in March after completion of most arduous tasks of Jum operation. Amid cultural fervor, thousands of people from different walks of life dressed in traditional attires throng Lamual of or Assam Rifle Ground to celebrate the first day of the festival, which witnessed different cultural hues and traditional dances. Parliamentary proceedings were repeatedly disrupted this week as members from opposition parties demanded a debate on the Delhi riots in which 53 people were killed. The government on its part says it's ready for a discussion after Holi, that's according to the Lok Sabha Speaker. Members in both houses discussed India's response to the coronavirus outbreak after briefing from Harsh Vardhan yesterday, the Central Health Minister. In the afternoon, 7 Congress MPs were suspended from the Lok Sabha for the remainder of the budget session after they snatched papers from the Speaker table. The Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till March 11. House Chairman Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu, has asked the government and opposition to figure out a solution to the current logjam. Now we have the sports news. The 30th Annual Sports Meet 2020 of Progressive English School has begun today at Education Enhancement Organisation, Lamding Ground. The sports meet began with school advisor Y. Themboy Singh unfurling the school flag. Students took out a torch rally in the opening ceremony. Now let's look at the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express cannot ask folks to skip Yaosang Fest, but to take care, says Biren. CM appeals all to avoid public gatherings. MLA salary hike to Rs 2.50 lakh per month. HSLC candidates vandalize exam center. Many hurt. The People's Chronicle. Kassom tense as troops besiege villages. IM Ravi emergency meeting on March 9. The National Investigation Agency NIA raids Dimapur houses. Students run riot at exam center. Bodies decry. CM condemns vandalism. BOSEM, COSEM in race to leak question papers, says student bodies. Action against Shyam Kumar unlikely until Supreme Court hearing. Imphal Free Press. COVID-19 threat. State government suspends biometric attendance. Ahead of Yaosang Festival, Chief Minister Biren appeals for avoiding gatherings. Teacher, 20 students hurt in ruckus at Lilong Exam Center. Manipur Mail. No coronavirus case in Manipur, says Chief Minister. Women's Day observed. Desam alleges leakage of question paper of Class 10. Case registered at Cybercrime Branch. Teachers meet Chief Minister over regularization, salary parity.
Before we wrap up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. Novel coronavirus cases rises to 97,510, including 3,345 deaths. Man shot to death at Imphal Lamphel supermarket. And tribal farmer body imposes total shutdown on national highways. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news edition. Thank you for joining us. Good day ahead.